Alright guys, so the Galaxy Watch 8 is here, and it's a lot more than just a yearly refresh. Samsung is going all in with new health features, design changes, and even built-in AI with Gemini. But the Galaxy Watch 8 is also the most expensive Galaxy Watch yet, so let's talk about what you can expect. First off, Samsung is back to two styles this year, the regular Galaxy Watch 8 and the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. That's right, the beloved clicky rotating bezel is back after skipping the Watch 7 entirely, and I already know that you love to see it. Samsung's also saying goodbye to the classic round look. Instead, both models now use that cushion-style case first seen on the Galaxy Watch Ultra. I don't know if I'm totally sold, if I'm being honest. It kind of creates the illusion of wasted space, especially on the standard version. But the Classic pulls it off a little bit better, and I can't blame Samsung for wanting to stand out in the crowded smartwatch market. We've got some color options as well, silver or graphite for the regular Watch 8, black or white for the Classic, and the Watch 8 is now the thinnest Galaxy Watch ever, just 8.6 millimeters thick, which is about 11% slimmer than the Watch 7. Now let's talk about price, because yeah, Samsung did bump it up. The standard Watch 8 starts at $349 for the 40mm Bluetooth model and goes as high as $429 if you want LTE and the bigger 44mm version. The Classic model only comes in one size, 46mm, and that starts at a pretty steep $499. Add LTE and it's $549. Also worth mentioning, there's a new titanium blue edition of the Galaxy Watch Ultra available now with double the storage at 64GB for $649, all of the same features otherwise. Now for this year's big Galaxy Watch headline, Gemini. Samsung is calling the Galaxy Watch 8 the first smartwatch with Google Gemini built in. You'll need an internet connection for Gemini to work, but you don't necessarily need your phone connected, which is a total game changer. You can ask it for your latest run stats, to fire up a playlist, or even trigger a custom routine like starting a workout and playing music at the same time. It's also coming with One UI 8 for Watch, which brings a bunch of quality of life upgrades, quicker access to your 6 most used apps, smarter notifications, and the Now bar borrowed from the S25 series that shows context-aware info like flight details or upcoming events. When it comes to fitness tracking with the Galaxy Watch 8, there's a new cardiovascular load feature that monitors heart strain while you sleep over 3 nights and lets you know if you're overdoing it. Running Coach is also new. It starts with a 12-minute run test to score your ability from 1 to 10, then builds a personalized training plan with live feedback, insights, and even motivational messages. Then there's Bedtime Reminders, which uses your circadian rhythm and something called sleep pressure to suggest ideal sleep windows just about 2 hours before you should go to bed. And in what might be the most eyebrow-raising addition, there's an antioxidant index test that uses the watch's existing light sensor to measure antioxidant levels through your skin and make wellness recommendations. We'll definitely need to test this one out to understand more, but needless to say, I'm intrigued. Battery life, about the same as last year, 30 hours with always on display, 40 without. There's a slightly bigger capacity under the hood, but real-world use will tell the story, and that's something that'll come in a full review on this channel soon. So yeah, between the slimmer build, smarter software, and some promising new health upgrades, the Galaxy Watch 8 looks like a serious improvement, especially if you're gonna spring for the Classic. That said, I am watching that price hike closely, and I'm really curious to see how well things like that antioxidant test actually work to help justify the price. If you're curious about that too, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications. This channel will be bringing you more in-depth testing of all the new Samsung devices very soon. I'd love to know your take on everything. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thanks for watching this video. I will catch you next time.